Hey there, it's Dan from RDPArena. Today, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your Windows VPS in just a few clicks, using a powerful free tool that does all the heavy lifting for you. This tool is perfect if you want to build a client's website in a secure, private space before going live. You can also use it to clone an existing site and test out new plugins or features without risking any downtime. And if you're just getting started with WordPress, it gives you a reliable space to experiment and learn. Whatever your goal, this tool makes it simple, and best of all, it's completely free. Before we begin, just a quick heads up. You'll need admin access on your VPS for this tool to work. With that being said, let's dive in. We're going to use a free application called LocalWP. It allows you to install and run WordPress locally on your Windows VPS without any complicated setup. You can download LocalWP using the link on your screen, and I've also added it in the video description so it's easy for you to find. If you encounter any issues during the installation process, don't hesitate to leave a comment, and our staff will be happy to assist you. Once you've installed it, go ahead and open the LocalWP app by double-clicking on its icon. Now click on the Create a New Site button at the center of the screen. You'll see two choices: Create a new site or Create from a blueprint. Choose the first one for a clean and fresh WordPress setup without any extra plugins or settings. Click Continue at the bottom right. Now type in the name you want for your website and click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to choose between Preferred and Custom. The Custom option is there if you're an advanced user who needs a specific version of PHP, a particular web server, or database software. If you just want a simple setup, go with the Preferred option and hit Continue. Now you'll be asked to enter your WordPress login details. These will be the login credentials you'll use later to access your site's admin area. Go ahead and enter your preferred username, password, and email. Once you've filled that out, click Add Site. LocalWP will take care of the rest. It'll install WordPress and host your website right on your Windows VPS, all in just a minute or two. While we wait for the installation to complete, I have some exciting news to share with you. We're currently running a special sale with 20% off on all RDP slots. Simply use the code you see on your screen during checkout to grab your discount. If you've been thinking about upgrading your RDP plan or trying out one of our premium servers, this is the perfect chance for you to get started. Don't wait too long though. Stocks are limited and this sale won't be around forever. Now, let's get back to the video. And just like that, the installation is complete. To see your brand new website live, all you have to do is click the Open Site button on the top right. This will launch your site directly in your default web browser. As you can see, the basic WordPress site loads up perfectly. Now to access your dashboard and start customizing, it's just as easy. Go back to the LocalWP app and click the WP Admin button. This will take you to your WordPress login page. Here, you'll need to enter the username and password you created previously and hit Login. From this dashboard, you can install themes, add plugins, and fully customize your site however you like. Now, it's very important for you to remember that the entire WordPress installation is local. This means you are the only one who can view this website, and only by using a browser on your Windows VPS. The site won't be visible on the public internet. In case you want to test multiple sites on your VPS, Local WP makes it super easy. You're not limited to just one project. You can create and run as many separate WordPress sites as you need. To add another site, just click the small plus icon at the bottom left of the local WP window. And repeat the same setup steps. Each new site will be completely separate and show up in your site list. And when you're done with a site and want to clean things up, removing it is just as simple. Start by clicking the Stop Site button in the top right corner. This will stop local WP from hosting that site. Next, right-click the site name on the left panel and select Delete. You'll see a confirmation screen. If you're sure you want to delete it permanently, uncheck the option that says Move Site Files to Recycling Bin and click the red Delete Site button. The site will be removed permanently from your VPS. And that wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.